Okay, not going to keep you long at all today. We're just going to make a really quick salad. So a bed of whatever you want. I'm using some rocket or jajir. You could be using some iceberg or, you know, something else if you like. Simply, let's just get some tomatoes on there. Beautiful sliced tomatoes. Then we've got our mozzarella. Now this mozzarella is the mozzarella that comes in a bag of water, not that kind of solid kind of stuff you can buy, which is usually used on pizzas. Really simple stuff here. Let's get a few olives on there. I'm using these really nice Kalamata olives. Really love these ones. Little bit of chopped parsley. Pinch or two of salt. Some olive oil, nice quality olive oil. Try and use a nice, or the most expensive one you can get. A little drizzle over there. I'm not using any acid, i.e. lemon or vinegar, just the olive oil, and then black pepper. Don't be shy with your black pepper either. That's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.